Hello everybody, Desiree Jordan here, but today I'm making, or I have made some carrier bags, and not just ordinary carrier bags. I have made bags to carry my computer around. Now I'm doing seminars and exhibitions lately, so I've carried quite a lot of stuff around. It's getting heavy. I bought a trolley, but it's not convenient to use the trolley going back and forward. So what I've done is, out of leather, I've been given a lot of leather fabric, so I made all this. It took me 2 days to make these bags. So here are large computers, right, inside them already. Let me see, where's the opening? I'll just show you that they are computers inside. Computers, the computer plus this, the keyboards plus the leads plus my package, and nothing else, because I don't want to make it too heavy. So there's 2 large computers, and down here we have laptops. So we've got laptop here. So what I've done with this now is that I've given it 4 handles, right? So if I'm carrying it on its own and I go to a customer, then I'll just carry it like that, just one at a time. But when my helpers don't come on time, and believe you, my helpers are my children actually, then I start getting everything inside before they come. So what I did for my convenience, because they're the ones who's going to be running these packages. So when I'm going inside, I've got 2 here, and I'm not going to pick those 2 up. And then I can carry this and lugga, as they say, carry them nicely into the venue. Right, so that's that. Then that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's a slightly bigger laptop. Right, this laptop now is a Dell laptop, and it's slightly heavier as well. Now I didn't think about making it long enough, but this can go over my shoulder anyway. So what happened with this computer, the key number E is not working. Try to get it fixed, can't get it fixed. Anybody knows how to fix it? Let me know. So I have to use an external keyboard. So I had to make a compartment for it as well, there. And inside it, the package goes here, zip all over the place. So I can either carry these 3 in and wait for my children to come and get those, or continue and carry those one by one. So here we go. So that's that. And it's very simple. Oh, by the way, I should show you. No, I show you on the making of it. These ones down the bottom are interline with, I forgot what grade the fabric is, but it's interline and line in the inside. You see that on the making, but on this one, I couldn't be bothered. It's just a matter of getting them in and out and giving it a safe journey. But later on, what I will do is at the bottom of these 2, I will cushion it out with some foam, so that when I'm driving, it will have suspension as it drives. So as you can see, I've made these, and these cushions that you see, I made them as well because I've got lots more of leather around. Oh yeah, lots more. So I'll be making more stuff, and as I add on and get more staff with this company, I will make more bags and grow this business. So thank you for watching. I do apologize if I've missed anything, but you know, you've got my phone number, you've got my email, you know, you could always talk to me. I've talked to many of you over the years, and I enjoy talking to you, and I know you enjoy talking to me as well. So thank you for watching, and please give me a thumb up, give me a like up, and please comment, good or bad, I don't mind, I can take it. right? All I have to do when it's bad is just rectify what you've said and make it better, right? So see with me, and thank you for watching. Bye.